I don't think the telematic industry should worry about the technologies right now. We have stable technologies, we have 2G and 3G offerings already, pure stable, providing very, very solid and safe and secure, proven services that we can actually create the whole industry services upon. So I don't think there should be any kind of worries about the current technologies and what is offered by the cellular technologies in 2G and 3G. It's very proven and it's very deployed as well in the whole industry of telematics, both in the automotive and in what we call construction or off-road industry. It's fully deployed and it's very stable, it's proven, and the good thing about it is that it's widely deployed actually. So we have a global coverage right now on these technologies that actually provide us the ability to create pure, stable connections to the assets that we are tracking. So with that said, telematics and data services can be created from the technologies that is provided by the cellular networks right now. There will be a lot of opportunities provided with the new cellular technologies. We will see an evolution over the next 2 years. There will be a lot of new services that we can actually benefit from in our industry of construction telematics, meaning that we will have lower cost on some of the narrowband technologies that is going to be provided the next couple of years. And there will be a possibility of tracking assets and low-cost equipment that we have never even been thinking of before. We can even have sensors on the different kind of machine types being connected and providing valuable information about the performance of the individual machines. So we can build totally new services with a lot of more data that is coming from, you can say, peripheral devices and accessories. One thing that is key for the industry is not to be scared about IoT, it's not to be scared about technologies, it's to actually take a very simple look into it and penetrate, I would say, IoT with partners. Focus on your core competences, focus on where your core business is, and then partner up with the expert that can actually help you enable and solve your problems. We are future-proofing them, and we are doing all we can to make sure that the industry and the customer segments will be very confident that we can provide the exact right technologies so that they can benefit from the opportunities that the IoT is actually offering. We are going to make it easy for customers to migrate and also for the whole industry to migrate to new technologies. We are building solid reference platforms that will communicate on the new technology platform that is offered by the cellular business. So what we do is actually we are taking away the risk for customers and for the industry to start doing investigation on technologies and finding the right path. We believe we already have done that in Trackunit, and we also believe that we can provide a solid, stable platform that will actually enable the new IoT opportunities. The telematics industry should definitely benefit from what is being provided by the cellular industry and also from the technologies that is being evolved and developed right now. The whole telematics in construction should be able actually to get lower costs on assets and getting assets connected so that we can connect them to collect data, we can connect them to speak to each other, machine to machine, machine to accessories. And the whole thing is going to be driven from the cellular business. Looking into the cellular networks and the evolution that is ongoing there, we will see in this industry of construction telematics that within a year or two from now, we are able to connect even extremely low-cost devices with technologies that are dedicated to be included on, for instance, accessories, shovels, or other low-cost, non-powered devices. In the industry of telematics, especially for construction, we shouldn't be worried about what is going on there. We should just listen into it and then find exactly the right problems to solve, because if we can identify the problems we would like to solve by connecting devices and collecting data, the technology will be there.